We'll guide you through how to create Asana dashboards. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Asana project from your desktop. Once you're in the project view, look for the Reports tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to start creating your dashboard. You'll see an option to create a new report. Click on New Report to begin. Here, you can choose different report types based on your needs, like task progress, workload, or custom charts. Let's say you want to track task progress. Select the Task Progress option. You'll then be able to customize your report by selecting specific projects, teams, or even timeframes. Once you've made your selections, click Create Report. Your new report will appear on the dashboard. You can add multiple reports to a single dashboard by repeating this process. To organize your dashboard, simply drag and drop the reports into your preferred layout. Asana allows you to save these dashboards for quick access later. Just click the Save button at the top right corner of your dashboard. You can name your dashboard for easy identification. This feature is especially useful for keeping track of various metrics across different projects. Remember, dashboards are a dynamic way to visualize your project data, so feel free to adjust and update them as your project evolves. Utilizing dashboards in Asana not only keeps you organized but also provides a clear overview of your project's status and progress, making it easier to communicate with your team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.